Hello guys, in today's video we will learn how to fix transaction decline in Google Play Store. Getting transaction decline error on Google Play Store? Don't worry, this is common issue and can be fixed in a just few steps. So for that, first open the Google Play Store and on the top right corner you will see your profile icon. Click on that. Next, go to payment and subscriptions. After clicking on payment subscriptions, then you will get to see payment methods. Click on that. Check if your payment details are correct. If not, update or re-enter them if needed. If the issues if the issue is persist, if the issue is still there, log into your bank account and check for any restriction or blocked transaction. Make sure your card has sufficient funds and it is unable for online transaction. Still not working? Try different payment method or contact your bank for support. Once everything's verified, try again. Your payment should go through smoothly. If this video finds you very helpful, then you can subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.